Well, everybody, this is Tuesday the 28th of August 2012. Another couple of trades, one on Euro US dollar, one on British Pound US dollar today, using the market makers method as taught by Martin at learningtotrade.com. So just we'll step through this. This is pretty much what we had set up. Start of the week, Monday. It's bank holiday in the UK as well, so it was quite quiet, some lighter volume, hence quite a bit of accumulation going on yesterday. So certainly no trade for me yesterday, but on waking up this morning, noticed some interesting activity. I'd left a line here at 24.79, just thinking about where we would put stops, so just had left that on there to alert me, and also had the middle line of the trade range final tool just sat on resistance there as well, so that kind of corresponded with some of this action here, which is a nice 45 pip down. Market makers entered the market there and then came out of the accumulation box with a blue out of the box bit of intensity. So at this point I'm thinking, okay, we might get a chance to get long at some point given this accumulation, manipulation down, dragging out some stops. Let's see if we can get an entry. So I'll also just pop across quickly at the 60-minute too. So you can see in the 60-minute here, there's the high volume from another day marked up as well. Yeah, you can see the clear move down, maybe taking some stops. So back on here, we'll just start stepping it through a bit. So get a bit of a move up, then it goes back into accumulation. So okay, fair enough. And there we go. All of a sudden, price is marked up, big jump bar, goes all the way through. Actually closes it pretty much on resistance. I was happy at that point to take trade. I felt like I knew the story. I actually moved it trade range final tool just at the bottom there. Marked up an exit of 50, and I got myself in pretty much at 499, I believe. Pretty much about there. I'll just change the colour on that as well. Okay, and I stuck about a 20 point stop on, 25 point stop there, about somewhere down about here anyway. So, which is funny enough as a low as well. So anyway, so I was happy at that. Had a little bit of fading, but then another jump bar up, kept on going. 3-4 bars. What's that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7 bars. Nearly 2 hours. It's less than 2 hours. And there we go. Made a nice 51 points from that default profit release. Thank you very much, market makers. The other one was on British Pound. We'll also have a little look at the 60-minute while we're at it. So again, this was the 60-minute chart from when I got in 7 o'clock in the morning thereabouts. Just zooming out a bit, you can see it. There's nothing really clear stop place on the way all the way to this down move, apart from back here. People may have put stops from a move up if they'd held on for a few days. That would be the sensible place you'd put them. Well, you'd be taught that would be the sensible place to put them. Let's say. You can see the market makers have punched down here. Maybe triggered some stop. You've got a little bit more volume there. So that was in my mind as well. But possibly, if we get a chance to get long today, I was going to take that on. So we can see, it spent a lot of time in accumulation. The British Pound. So there was, no trade for me until the box had finished. We'll just step this on because it took a bit of time. So it came out the box 11 o'clock. Faded out the box, to be honest. No great intensity there, so I was still holding off at this point. You can see this move down, page back up, kind of faffs around a little bit. Then we get this jump bar clearing these previous beliefs as well. So just pop this on a bit further, a bit fading down, and then a big jump bar up. So that was the one I took on. I felt that this fading down, changing beliefs, wipes out a few bars there. So I was happy to pull the trigger at that point. I felt like I had the story, literal accumulation here, manipulation down, market makers in. I did a bit more accumulation, and I felt we were going to get a move to the upside, given the story here and these blue intensity jump bars up. So got myself in. Exit was about 37, I think it was, and I was in, where did that close at? 98. I think I was in around about 99 or something, round about there. It was a little bit higher. Need to go and just check that what I got in at. I'm pretty sure it was 37, 38 points of close for, so that, yeah, that makes sense. I must have got in about here. So just step that one on. So looked pretty good initially. Noticed a bit of fading. Walked into this resistance, but this time I'd started to, just in case when it got above this, see this point here, once it got above here, I'd move my stop to break even, just in case. Decided to reverse and go the other way, and it's kind of faffed around. It went into another accumulation there, and as I'd cycled home, I ended up, I don't know if it's come out yet, but I did end up manually closing. My IG account was showing 836, so I ended up closing at 836, so my limit didn't quite get hit, but I was happy. Maybe I'll get hit in the next wee bit. I think we're still, where are we? Let's have a look. We'll just skip on. Yeah, we're still in the box just now. It's at 28.27, so it's got a good chance of getting to its exit. But I decided that I was happy with taking those, those few points out. Yeah, so a good plus day for me again, which is good considering last week wasn't particularly great. I know that all of you had the same issue I did as well. So anyway, that's what I did today, and hope you all got some too. Good luck, guys.